Good morning, everyone. Today I have come up with your next topic, that is computer networks. In this chapter, we are going to study about various communication technology that has been developed in last few years. About the emailing was the first way of communicating your messages through internet. Later on, uh, later on, various application has been uploaded, or you can say installed in our computer. We are installing and we are using it. And e-commerce you have studied in class 10th also. There is a topic related to bill payment that also we are doing nowadays. So all this is the part of the computer networking only, because first of all computer networking has been developed, then the internet facility was there. After that all this facility has been developed. Now class, network provide silent feature which have been made our life easy and comfortable, as you all know, like withdrawing money from the ATM, railway reservation, sharing audios and videos. All this we are doing. Now, one more is given as apart from this, the most extensively used feature in the print command sent from one computer to get printout from the another computer. That is, you have studied in networking when you were studying about networking in class 10th. That time these topics were there, sharing the resources. Now, now in the network that connect various computer to each other and handles a large volume of data. So you all know, with the help of networking we can share the resources, that only the statement. Now see, there has been given a computer network. In between, it's a server and all other computer are the clients. The server is having all the information and the clients are receiving information after requesting the server for the particulars. There was a web server and web client that you have studied in class 10. Same here. So it is not only with the web server and client, in networking also server client system is there. So computer network is the collection of interconnected computers and other devices to share data and the other resources. The same I have told you before also. Now some advantage that we are going to study about the computer network. So number one is resource sharing. Resource sharing is means by hardware and the software as well as the memory devices shared by the network. Suppose I am having a computer with all the facility with more GB hard disk, with more RAM, and as well as all printers, softwares. Then if many computers are connected in that sequence, or you can say in that topology, then under that all the computers will be able to share the memory as well as the hardware part. Not only that, software can also be shared using this. Next is improved communication. With the help of the networking, you all know it is very easy to communicate. It is fast, reliable, secure, that we are using nowadays. WhatsApp, Facebook, and different things are there that you are using. And as well as if something we have to store, server is that part where we can store the things, and there can be a many server also. So many server can keep the things and share to different clients that you have, if you remember, server to server communication that was there. Now reduce communication cost. You all know, with the help of networking nowadays it is very easy to communicate without paying much money at very low cost. Reliability of the data. Reliability means backup of the data. whatever we are sending, whatever like mail we are sending, like any photos we are sending, there is a backup also. Backup means it keep the copy of that particular thing in your computers. Which same with the networking also. Whenever you are sending some information from one computer to another computer, that time also there is a backup. We call it a secure copy, SCP, secure copy. So that secure copy concept says that if data is transferred from server to the client or client to the server, that time in between there will be a backup. Suppose in while sending something is lost, in that case also, or hardware crash is there, or that time also the information will get stored in the server. So that is the thing. So class, these are the few topics that I have decided for the introduction of the chapter. You go through it and make very short notes of it. Just an introduction you can say, and send it to me by tomorrow. That's all class.